We thought we were in for a weekend of excitement and outdoor adventure, but little did we know, a lightning storm had sparked a forest fire between town and us. Undeterred, we decided to make the best of it, boating and exploring the shallow Rocky river channels in our Jetstream Mini Jet boat. But our adventure took a turn for the worse when the boat broke down, leaving us stranded in the middle of the Rockies. With no way to call for help, we had to rely on our wits and survival skills to make it out alive. It was a weekend we would never forget, full of unexpected twists and turns. But in the end, we made it out stronger and closer than ever before. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the great outdoors. Don't mind me, that old guy, 30 degrees on a Thursday, looking mighty fine. Guess what? We are checking out. We've got some toys loaded up. Wife's got to come back in town tomorrow. I'm really heartbroken. I don't, so anyhow, she's gonna pull one for me, save me a little bit of trouble, make it easier launching. Come along. We're going back to Cleto again. We're gonna get the bugs worked out of this thing before we get too far. That's within stabbing distance of Fort Nelson. It's only about 45 minutes away, so come along for the ride. If you're looking for the critters, if you're looking for the animals, hey, Mom would approve of that. I don't know. Fire late as we were rolling in, big lightning storm, so threatening to block us off from town. What can we do? 32 degrees, something along that lines. May as well go get wet. Come along for the ride. Found this paddle in one of the skis I just got for our twin build. Pretty cool little paddle. Haters are gonna get on me telling me I should have moved that tree for you. Are we broke down, honey?
Yes, we're f***ing broke down.
Why are we broke down?
I don't know, because your shit's clogged.
What's clogged?
I don't know. What'd you call it?
A pisser.
A pisser?
The pisser is clogged. And how are we going to get it unclogged?
I have no idea.
We're going to give it a couple jerks.
You're going to give it a couple jerks.
We just flying circles around it. A chicken footed her.
But I don't think it's supposed to park here.
Pretty sturdy, it's not moving. Honey, help me out. Well, we're broke down. Say it with some drama. Say, well, we're broke down.
Can't you just do a voiceover and I'll just sit here?
Yeah, because your lips not moving aren't going to be a fucking